Hey there, Nick with Dine Company. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to replace the gasket in your refrigerator or your freezer. Now, your gasket is going to be your most common wear and tear item in your kitchen. This will happen just from natural use of opening and closing the door, especially if you're not using door handle. This will also cause your gasket to wear and tear faster. Torn gaskets will cause air gaps in your door. You will have holding temperature less, your food will go bad quicker. It could also prop open the door based on where the tear is in the gasket. So replacing that gasket is going to be vital to keeping your kitchen safe. Now there are several different types of gaskets. Gaskets are usually going to be specific to a unit based on the serial number and the model. We can also get you custom gaskets if we have the measurement of your gasket and a look at the profile of it as well. The profile being the inner part of the gasket that actually fits into the door. Now what we'll do here is I'll show you how to remove and how to place it in. What you'll want to do is carefully grab from your corners, pull out, and you'll want to do that gently around to make sure you're not tearing anything. There. As you can see, this is going to be the profile that will fit into that spot. And again, this is usually particular to a unit. You can pull down all the way to remove the gasket, and to put it back in, really simple, just the same. What you'll want to do is start at your corners. Make sure you push those in until you feel nice and snug. Push in the other corner, and then push in the middle. Once you fill that in, you can just squeeze to make sure that the gasket is in place. It really is that simple. Thank you for watching today's video. At Dine Company, we make food service easier.